Hello, today you're looking at a Lanco 4 cubic foot expandable to 6 cubic foot air over hydraulic filter press brought to you by Lanco. This unit weighs in at 3,142 pounds. This is run with air over hydraulic. You can see here. The overall dimensions of this press are 108 inches long by 38 inches wide by 52 inches high. On the back here, you can see we've installed brand new PVC plumbing. This unit has a max hydraulic pressure of 3,200 psi. Back here, you can see the 14 gasketed plates. These plates are 630 millimeter plates, and we can install new gasketing and filter cloths for you for additional costs. This unit has been fully refurbished over here at Lanco. We'll turn it on for you so you can see it run here. Real simple. You can see the cylinder slowly moves. This will continue to move until the appropriate pressure has been reached. It will automatically shut off. If you're interested in this filter press, give us a call, 616-887-8300, or you can visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.